So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is a you versus them current energy check in for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. It's a timeless reading, it's just a current energy check in. The roles can be reversed also, and not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal or reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. Okay. So let's start. Sagis, what we have. On your side, let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Wands, the King of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. So on your side, you are very much in this energy of cutting the crap out of your life, out of your system, for multiple energies, multiple people, multiple things, multiple situations where you're kind of done. You're kind of done. You are having a clean slate in your life where you are starting from scratch and you are feeling like a completely new energy, completely new person because you are leaving too much crap behind you that's not aligning with your energies, with your values anymore at any level. And you're kind of done with a lot of things. Hmm? A lot of people, a lot of energies. And right now, you are in this energy of taking a stand for yourself, creating strong boundaries, cutting crappy and shitty situations, and opening yourself to this energy of starting from scratch, starting from zero. Yeah. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Justice, and we have the High Priestess. So somebody is hoping and waiting for some kind of justice in the situation. Right now, they are just putting in the effort and energy in doing the right things in their life, whatever it means in the situation, according to your energies, according to their energies. They are in this energy of silently working on the justice, working on the balance, working on doing things right for themselves, making things right for themselves by putting in the effort and energy in the right direction from their side. Now, for some of you, they are going to be supremely focused on their money, job, career. For others of you, they are supremely focused on this energy of, okay, this is done, this is gone. I learned my lesson, but the universe should serve justice to me. Sooner or later in my life, I deserve justice in the situation. Maybe they are blaming you for whatever happened, and they are silently waiting for the time when the karma is going to play their role in the situation, and they can say karma is a bitch and you got it. I don't see a revengeful energy from this person's side. No, not at all. But I do see this kind of energy of, okay, Sagittarius did something here and they should face the karma sooner or later in their life. And I know they will, because karma is a bitch and everyone have to pay for that. Wow. But right now they're working on themselves with this kind of energy of putting in the effort and energy in the right direction from their side, whatever it means, silently working on themselves in making things right for themselves right now. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have, Sajis. For the connection, we have the lovers, the four of wands, the three of pentacles. There is a third party kind of a dynamic here, either from your side or from their side. One of you have to choose between this particular person or energy and other person, other energy that you guys are dealing with. You guys have to make a particular choice. You guys have to make one choice, one decision, and stick to that decision, Sagittarius. It can't be like you want to have your cake and eat it too. It's not going to be like this. You have to make one choice, one decision, and stick to that decision if you want to have this stable commitment, long term partnership and happy kind of energy, happily ever after kind of energy. So you have to make your mind, you have to make up your choice whether this particular person or energy or somebody else, or you have to let them go, or you should wait for them, whatever it is. You can't have two things or two people or two situations and be at peace. You need to make one choice, one decision in your life, whatever it means in your situation, and then you can be at peace. Then you can find the stability that you're looking forward to have in your life, and not able to find it because you are dealing with maybe two people, two energies, or a dual mindset at the same time. I want this too, I don't want this too. I want this too and this too and this too. and maybe I should keep my options open, and maybe I'm going to find the best one, but I should connect with other people, other energies as well. You are confusing the shit out of your own energies and the universe too, and that's why you are in this kind of energy of, getting confused kind of energies of from other people. So take one decision, stick to that one decision, and then was like walk on that straight path, and then the universe will help you, right? That's the deal. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.